Hey everyone, Mike here in the BFH garage. Another junkyard trip. We had a 2002 Jeep Wrangler TJ come into the Denver You Pull and Pay. And I gotta say, I like the You Pull and Pay's new website. They post the VIN number there where before they didn't. And the nice thing about the VIN number is I can run a build sheet and see what this thing has before I ever decide to run down there. If it doesn't have anything I'm looking for, then it can save me a trip because it's about a 45-minute drive to the Denver yard. But anyway, this one has a 32RH 3-speed transmission. Those are getting harder and harder to come by, so I'm going to go see if that's still there. Obviously, I'm always on the hunt for my wall art, i.e. Jeep grills. But we're going to see what else is involved with this Jeep and what it has. Looking at the build sheet, I'm not expecting any surprises. It looks like it's stock, has a Dana 35 axle, which is not desirable. And the picture on the website just shows the engine compartment. So I'm not getting a good overall look at what the rest of that Jeep may or may not have. So I'm gonna take a chance, run down there. Again, this is like a fishing trip for me. I really enjoy doing this stuff. I probably don't need anything I'm gonna grab, but it's just the thrill of the chase. So let's go have some fun. This pick isn't even an hour old and everybody's already over here just getting everything off of it. The front end's completely gone. Already got people getting stuff out of the back. But score, transmission's still there, so we're at least gonna get that, but everything else is pretty much gone. And I'll be damn bonus, the grill was sitting up against the vehicle next to it, so I get that too. Right on. As usual, you'll never know what to expect when you come to these yards. Like I say, it's a big fishing expedition for me. This one worked out again. I got another 32RH transmission that'll hook up one of our other buddies who's been looking to find one, so we got that now. And then lo and behold, after I get everything pulled and I'm about ready to walk out, I catch out of the corner of my eye the grill leaning up against the vehicle next to the Jeep. So I got another grill for the garage too, so that's a win for me as well. I think we are all set. I can call this a successful pick. Got what we needed and back to the shop. Probably gonna have to rebuild this one. It looks pretty dirty. I'd rebuild it anyway just for the fact that you never know what's in there. Plus you can do the vent relocation, all that stuff. But anyway, this is a success. I mean, a transmission costs you $150. That's hard to beat. So that's all I got. Have a good one.